climb inside the 2010 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 kilometers. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Volkswagen prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, front fog lights, power moonroof, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.